Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll learn how to install PWA Lite version of your app in iOS devices. Just to inform you, PWA Lite version runs on iPhone's iPad's default browser, Safari, and is best suited for simple apps that don't require any advanced features like in-app payments, push notifications, and other native app features. You can get your app's PWA Lite URL from Test Apps section under My Apps area. Copy and paste it in your iOS device's Safari browser and go. Tap on Download. Once your app's PWA Lite version is downloaded, hit Install. Tap on OK button. Now you need to install Profile. Hit Install to continue. Once again, hit Install and tap on Done. Go to Home Screen. Here you will see your app's PWA Lite version. Open your app, allow required permissions, and PWA Lite version of your app will seamlessly run on your iOS device. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.